Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Raise the device volume above 50% and disable Do Not Disturb because software mutes override settings. Next, plug in headphones. If audio is clear, the speaker is suspect. If still low, the issue lies with the app or network. Once done, restart the call app and the device to clear transient glitches. Make a short test call and note whether the problem is constant or intermittent, since that determines deeper troubleshooting steps. You now dig into app and hardware causes. First, open app permissions and confirm microphone and audio access are allowed, because blocked permissions can reduce volume. Then update or reinstall the call app and clear its cache to remove corrupt settings. Apps often misroute audio when files are corrupt. Meanwhile, inspect the speaker grill for dust or lint, test audio with a voice memo, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. These steps narrow whether software or hardware. You finish by applying final fixes. If software was the culprit, a factory reset will often restore normal levels. Back up your data first. If hardware is to blame, consider speaker repair or replacement, because physical damage lowers output permanently. Also reset network settings or enable Wi-Fi calling when cellular audio is poor, as call compression can reduce volume. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to test another handset on the same network to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.